Welcome to Embedded Electronics. Here we will see 10 important question and answer. Question: what is the difference between EEPROM and flash memory in microcontrollers? Answer: EEPROM allows data to be erased and written 1 byte at a time, while flash memory erases and writes data in blocks. Question: why is input debouncing necessary in embedded systems? Answer: input debouncing prevents false triggering caused by mechanical switches bouncing and ensures a clean, stable signal. Question: what is the difference between a microcontroller and a system on chip? Answer: a microcontroller integrates CPU, memory, and peripherals on a chip, while a system on chip may include additional components like GPU, DSP, and communication modules. Question: why are pull-up and pull-down resistors used in digital circuits? Answer: pull-up and pull-down resistors define a default logic level for input pins to prevent floating inputs and unpredictable behavior. Question: what is the role of a phase-locked loop in embedded systems? Answer: a phase-locked loop generates a stable frequency by synchronizing an output signal with a reference signal, often used in clocks and communication. Question: what is the difference between a real-time operating system task and a background task? Answer: a real-time task has strict timing requirements and must execute within deadlines, while a background task runs without strict timing constraints. Question: why is memory alignment important in embedded systems? Answer: memory alignment ensures data is stored at addresses suitable for the processor, improving access speed and preventing hardware faults. Question: what is the difference between a sensor interface and an actuator interface? Answer: a sensor interface reads signals from sensors and converts them to digital data, while an actuator interface sends control signals to drive actuators. Question: what is the purpose of voltage regulators in embedded circuits? Answer: voltage regulators provide a stable supply voltage to components, protecting them from fluctuations and ensuring reliable operation. Question: what is the difference between a synchronous and an asynchronous task in embedded programming? Answer: a synchronous task waits for previous operations to complete before starting, while an asynchronous task can run independently without waiting. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.